At the time of the total lunar eclipse on the 7th of September 2025, the moon was on the Ascendant in Paris, while it was on the Midheaven in Kathmandu in Nepal. And what's more, in Nepal, Saturn was also square the Ascendant. France has been beset with riots and protests. In several parts of the country, hundreds of people have been arrested. Buildings have been set ablaze. There's been clashes with police. And in Nepal, the finance minister was quite literally manhandled and chased in a river in his underpants. And amazingly, within just a few days of each other, both Nepal and France get new prime ministers.